Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your friend from TechMarrow, and in this video I'm gonna show you 10 amazing WhatsApp tricks which you must try if you are an WhatsApp user. So let's get started. WhatsApp is getting more popular day by day, and WhatsApp launches so many updates with so many cool features to explore. And in this video, I'll show you 10 amazing WhatsApp tricks which will solve your many problems related to WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, I have seen people install separate apps to send message in WhatsApp without coming online. I mean, without changing their last scenes. But it is possible to send message someone in WhatsApp without coming online, even without installing any app. And in this trick, I'll show you how you can do this. So for this, you need to use your Google Assistant. Go there and say, "Okay Google, send message to Rama in WhatsApp."
Chat with Rama, no problem. What's the message?
"Hi, how are you?"
I got, hi, how are you?
Send the message.
Send it or change it.
Send it.
Sending message.
So here you can see now the message is successfully sent, and I'm going to show you exactly what happened. So let's go to my WhatsApp. So here you can see this is the contact I have sent. "Hi, how are you?" and the message is sent. So like this, you can send message to anyone without even coming online, without even installing another app. So guys, if the trick was helpful, do like the video now. It's time to jump to the second trick. Guys, if you struggle while holding a WhatsApp status with your single finger and trying to read it, you do not need to do that anymore. So let's go to the WhatsApp, and I'm going to show you how you can read a status easily. Let's pick up any status, and when you click on the status, then just tap with your three fingers, and when you just tap with your three fingers, the status will be freezed and you can easily check out the status contents. So guys, that was the second trick. Now it's time to show you the third trick. Now let's move to the third trick. Guys, if you want to share your WhatsApp chat with any other person in anywhere, what you need to do, you do not need to take screenshots of a long chat, because in that case you will end up getting tired yourself. So what you need to do, you just need to go to your WhatsApp, open that chat, and right over here you can see the three dots. You just need to click on that, and you just need to click on the more. Then here you can see export chat. You just need to click on that. Now you'll have options without media or include media. You can export that chat. So I'm here picking without media. So once you have clicked on the without media, then you can email, then you can share the chat on WhatsApp, Facebook, or email anywhere. So like this, it will be very easy to share a long chat with any person. Time to see the trick number 4. If you use WhatsApp a lot and your phone storage is not that big, then you may have such kind of problems like your phone is getting hang due to insufficient phone storage. In that case, what you can do, you can actually delete WhatsApp databases which are so old. As you know, WhatsApp do a backup at around 2 p.m. and you can delete the old backups. For this, what you need to do, you need to open your file explorer. Then you just need to go to your internal storage, and from there find the WhatsApp folder, go there and go to the databases, and here you can see the files named as MSG store, and from here you just need to pick the oldest ones. And how you can pick them, you can see the dates right here, 2027 for you just need to pick the dates, and you can go there to delete them. Okay, and like this you can free a lots of space. So guys, in case if you want to chat with someone in WhatsApp secretly and you want your messages to be destroyed after a certain time, so what you can do, you just need to go to the Chrome or any browser and search here for privnote.com. So you can see the website. Just go there and type here, you need to type here any message you want to send to your friend. So I'm just saying here, "Hi." Okay, once you've typed, then here you can explore few options like show options. Click on the show options, and here you can set your password. So here I'm setting my password 1111, and confirm your password 1111. Once you've confirmed your password, just click on this create note. Once the link is ready, just hold on it and go and share it in WhatsApp. So let's share it in the WhatsApp. I'm gonna share it to one of my account which is already in my that phone. So I'm gonna just send it to my that account. Send it, and once you have sent it, so let me show you how will it work now. Let's go to that another account. So here is the message. Now if I click on that link, it will be redirected to that website again, and here you can see a note here, show me the note. So once your friend will get that, he just need to click on that, and then he just need to enter the password, which was 41. So you can tell him the password over phone. So just once the password is correct, proceed, and here you can see the message clearly, which is hi. Now what will happen if I just move back and click on the link again and try to read that message for the second time? So you can clearly see the message is destroyed. So guys, was that trick helpful? I'm sure that this kind of messaging is really secure and nobody can see your message once. Guys, if you receive so many messages in WhatsApp and sometimes you do not have the time to reply any person, what you can do, you can actually mark their chat to talk to them later. So like here I have marked this chat. You can see a green circle. So how you can do this? You just need to hold any chat and then you just need to click on these three dots to mark as unread. So you just need to hold on these three dots and you just need to click on this mark as unread. So whenever you feel that you have the time to chat with them, just this green little circle will help you to remember that you need to chat with them. Guys, in case if any of your friend has liked your video status in WhatsApp so much and they just ask you, hey man, just send me the video, I liked it so much, what you can do in that case, you do not need to go to your gallery and search a lot and then once you find it, just send. You just need to go to your WhatsApp and go to your status where you have put your video status. So you can see I have put a video status 2 minutes ago. How I can share it with any of my friends if they ask me to send if they have asked me to send the video, you just need to click on these three dots, then click on the share, and then from here you can share it anywhere. So here I'm on to send them in WhatsApp. Select the contact and tap on the done. So and like that this video will be sent easily. Guys, if you think any one of your friends are seeing your WhatsApp messages secretly because you cannot see the blue ticks in your WhatsApp sent messages, what you can do in that case to confirm that whether they are watching your messages or they just don't want you to know that they are actually seeing their messages. In that case, what you can do, send an audio message. So tap on the audio icon and send the send the audio message. And so here I have sent the audio message to another account. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to move to that account and I'm going to turn off my read receipts from that account to make sure that I do not from another account I can't see the blue tick. But that will not happen because whenever he or she see your audio message and then if you just move back to your account, you can see till I have not got the blue tick, but whenever he or she actually listen to that audio, so what happened then, here you can see it got a blue color right here. So like that you can find out that he or she is just don't wanna let you know that they are actually interested to see your messages. Guys, if you want to send someone message in WhatsApp very quickly without even wasting time in searching their contact in WhatsApp, then this trick is for you. For that, you just need to go to the WhatsApp and you need to select your contact whom you want to make a shortcut, for whom you want to make a shortcut in WhatsApp. So you just need to select that contact. So here I have select this contact and then you just need to click on these three dots. Then you just need to click on this add chat shortcut. Once you do this, just move back and here you will see a shortcut will be created for you. So here you can see the shortcut is created. Now from here you can directly go to the chat and you can now message them. Guys, finally you have made it to the end of this video. Now I'm going to show you my last trick of WhatsApp. Guys, if you are trying to find a particular special message from a long chat in WhatsApp, what you can do, you just do not need to go to the chat and read all the messages to find that particular message. You just need to go to that WhatsApp and what you can do here. So here you can see a message right here, password 12345, name Athena. So if that message, let's say important for me, what I need to do, I just need to hold this and I just need to start it. So once I start the message, and so you can see lots of chats. So if just I want to find any particular message like this, so how we can find this, you just need to go to that contact and from there scroll down and here you will find a section start messages. You just need to click on that. From here you can find all the start messages like this. You can see the start message. So like this you can find any small message, any small special message from a long chat in WhatsApp very easily. So guys, that was the 10 WhatsApp tricks which I had for you. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like the video, and if you're new, subscribe to our channel. We will see you in our next video with another new great topic, and till then, stay tuned. Have a great day.